Hello you, it's Sarah from Lion Brand. Won't you join me while I show you what I like to call the yarn that I currently have? This is Schitt's Creek yarn from Lion Brand. Lion Brand has teamed up with Schitt's Creek to create a new yarn with colors inspired by the characters, places, and wardrobe of the show. I'm obsessed with this. I've got a few colors here, so let me tell you about this yarn. Schitt's Creek is a medium worsted weight yarn, which means it's great for garments, home decor, and projects for your favorite bebe. This yarn is soft and smooth and has a little bit of a shine. And in each ball, you get so much yarn. There's 372 yards here, and it's machine washable. Let me get this on the needles so I can show you how it works up. While I'm organizing my knits, make sure you hit subscribe to stay up to date with Lion Brand. Schitt's Creek is such a nice yarn to work with. The swatches that I made are so gorgeous. I did single crochet on the recommended hook size, and I did stockinette stitch on the recommended needle. And of course, I had to work with Black Crow because it's such an iconic color for the show. This yarn makes such yummy, plump stitches. Not only is this soft enough to wear against your skin, but both of these pieces have such a satisfying, squishy feeling. It also has a good drape and a bit of a bounce. I love the stitch definition here. Great for colorwork and cables. Schitt's Creek is a must for sweaters and hats, but in this worsted weight, there are just so many possibilities for what you can make with it. We've also designed patterns that fans of the show will love. Now you can create your own piece of the show with Schitt's Creek yarn, but whether or not you're making something inspired by Johnny, Moira, Alexis, or David, I think you're gonna love working with this yarn. Check it out at lionbrand.com. Happy stitching and warmest regards.